Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my Belgian breakfast known as Croque Madame in Belgium. It contains sandwich, salad and eggs. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So the first step, I'm going to make some sandwich. I'm going to use 4 brown breads, or you can use any type of bread that you prefer. And you're also going to need some cheese and chicken fillet, or you can use ham instead of chicken fillets. So take 1 slice of bread, then place the cheese and chicken fillet on top. Then you're going to take 1 more bread and place it on top, and continue with the rest. So today I'm going to use this type of grill, or you can use a toaster or a pan. Turn on the grill and let it heat for at least 5 minutes before placing the breads. Once the grill is hot, place the breads and cover for 3 minutes till the cheese melts and the breads are nicely toasted. And if you're going to use a pan, place a pan on a medium heat and place the breads and toast them till the cheese melts and the bread turns to golden brown. When the cheese has melted and the breads are nicely toasted, remove the breads from the grill. So the next step, you're going to make our eggs. Place a pan on a medium heat and add some oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add 2 eggs, or you can use more. Then sprinkle a bit of salt, black pepper and Italian spices, optional. Then let the eggs to cook on a medium heat. If you'd like the top part to cook a bit, cover with a lid and let it cook for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, open the lid and your eggs are ready, and remove them from the pan and place them on a plate. Lastly, I'm going to make a simple salad. In a small bowl, you're going to add a bit of lettuce salad, and I'm going to use 2 sweet tomatoes and I'm going to slice them into 2. Lastly, drizzle a bit of Caesar dressing, or you can use any dressing that you prefer, and my salad is ready. Lastly, I'm going to serve my breakfast. Take a large plate, place your salad, place your toasted sandwich, and lastly, place your eggs. And my breakfast is ready. And I'm going to serve myself with a cup of Swahili tea. The recipe of this Swahili tea is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box so you can be able to check out this recipe and enjoy your breakfast. And my tasty, healthy breakfast is ready, as you can see in the video. Enjoy with a cup of tea or milk and enjoy your breakfast. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.